we're just checking, Terence and I were just checking of what happened on the red, because what happened on the red for over few months, the smoke is very dark. It's like every time we came, for example, we park and then Terence gonna back up and drive, it's gonna be like a dark smoke. So we're very shy. And there is made some joke. Oh, it seems that this truck is so disgusting. So we decided to change the engine. I don't know, rebuild it. So now that's how it looks like now. Stay tuned. Nestor's place, and that's the red now. Over there is what do you call that? That one there. That's, I don't know what they call that, but that's the one that they're gonna send to Cebu. And then it's a half bent belt. That's Terence there. Look at that, the red. Because we need to cure the problem of the truck. Yeah, so again, please like, comment, and subscribe.